Hey, what's up, Amazon? Got this pretty cool stick vacuum here. It's a pretty nice little vacuum. It's kind of mimics the bigger name brands. Works pretty well. I haven't vacuumed my little carpet here. I got some dogs. They're shedding right now. I'm sure if you got dogs, you know it's transition to summertime. So dog fur can get a little bit on there. But I'm gonna do a quick little vacuum. This has two settings. It has a small setting or a light suction. Then it has more of like a deeper suction. So we'll try it with the first setting, and then we'll hit it with the second setting. See if it makes a difference. So there's the first one. It's got a light on there, little battery indicator. The second setting, and it's off. So first setting here. Seems to be working really good, getting everything. And that's not even like the deepest setting. See a little, fill the shelf earlier, see a little packaging. No problem getting that right up. We'll hit it a second time here. You can see it works really nice. It's nice, it gets right under there. Oh man, that's really nice. Right under there, look at that. That is awesome. No problem getting the dog fur. I'm gonna kind of get in there. You can see it. All right, let's do it over. Check it out. Oh man, look at Sean. Awesome. So can't really beat it. You can see, look at all that dog hair in there. It's pretty awesome. So picks it up. Pretty nice little stick vacuum for the price. Can't really beat it. Pretty happy with it.